Hi everybody, and welcome to another dance tutorial of Starseed School of Dance. Today we're going to share with you how to dance the basic movement in Paso Doble and some tips for technique improvement. Enjoy! Action used for leader. Very short steps forward on balls of feet with strong pressure into the floor. Action used for follower. Very short steps back on balls of feet with strong pressure into the floor. Foot position for leader. Right foot forward, left foot forward, right foot forward, left foot forward, right foot forward, left foot forward, right foot forward, left foot forward. Foot position for follower. Left foot back, right foot back, left foot back, right foot back, left foot back, right foot back, left foot back, right foot back. Timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tips and notes. The footwork for all steps is on the ball of the feet. The knees are slightly compressed on each forward step and straightened on each backward step. The hips are tilted forward. The alignment of the figure varies. You can face or back the line of dance, or we can curve the figure from the facing wall to facing the center, or to any other direction. Partnerwork. In Partnerwork, we are in close hold, in which we use a close connection and we are in contact from thigh to chest. The left hand of the leader and the right of the follower are slightly higher than usual due to the close connection. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to be in touch with all of our videos coming up. And check out our previous syllabus of Cha-Cha-Cha basics. See you at the next one.